Hey everyone, Jennifer Gilman here, and I wanted to tell you about a toner that I recently put together with Reishi Mushroom. So I was with my daughter in Sephora not long ago, and I like to go in there just to see what plants are they using these days in some of the skincare, right? Because they're always finding different benefits of the plant medicine, which we know there's a lot of benefits for, but I'm always curious with the big companies, what are they actually using? So I found one of the big, very well-known companies that uses a lot of natural ingredients was using a lot of reishi mushroom. And they're so smart because reishi mushroom is such a great medicinal mushroom internally, but also externally, topically on the skin. It's wonderful. So of course I came home and decided to do a nice toner, really great spray for your skin. It's particularly very good for acne prone skin and repairing the skin tissue, really helping support that. So what I did was I took some reishi mushroom, and this is what it looks like, you guys. I'm actually gonna take one of these out so you can see it. These are reishi mushroom slices, okay? And I made a decoction, so you can't do an infusion, you have to do a decoction of this because anything that's like root, bark, anything like that, seeds, berries, things like that, you have to simmer. So I took the reishi mushroom and I did 1 ounce of reishi mushroom to 24 ounces of water, okay? So if you're gonna make this at home and you wanna get some reishi mushroom, you're just gonna put 1 ounce of reishi mushroom, 24 ounces of water, and you're gonna simmer that for 20 minutes and then strain it, okay? And now you've got your reishi mushroom decoction or infusion, right? Now, what you do next is I took a 4-ounce bottle. Make sure you label it. Don't forget to label your stuff, guys, otherwise you're gonna have all these concoctions around, you won't know what it is, right? So make sure you label it, whatever you want. Skin toner, for me, I actually put exactly what was in it in the recipe. And so this is a 4-ounce spray bottle. And what I did with this was I put 3 ounces of the reishi mushroom decoction, right, the liquid, and then I did 1 ounce of aloe vera gel. The reason I did aloe vera is because it's so nourishing for the skin, very hydrating, and when you have breakouts and problematic skin, we need to always hydrate as well. But this also, what's nice about this is it's great for dry skin too, so if you don't have any acne, this is also still a very good toner. So me and my daughter are actually sharing this. Now there's 2 essential oils in there, and I want to tell you about those. I chose juniper berry. So juniper berry, and again, I only use, as most of you know, I only use the doTERRA brand of essential oils. Juniper berry is so great for just that even tone, that even skin tone. It's very gentle, and I chose to put 20 drops in that 4-ounce bottle. The other essential oil I chose was absolutely, some of you probably guessed it already, yarrow palm. Okay, so yarrow is a wonderful essential oil on its own, but doTERRA sells this yarrow palm. It has pomegranate seed oil in it. I mean, talk about an amazing antioxidant, wonderful skin tissue repairer, just very good for your skin. Like I said, even if you don't have breakouts, this is gonna be a great toner for you. So I put 20 drops of that in there too. So let me tell you again the recipe. So in this 4-ounce spray bottle is 3 ounces of the reishi mushroom decoction, that liquid infusion, 1 ounce of aloe vera gel, 20 drops of juniper berry, and 20 drops of the yarrow palm. And then it has to be refrigerated because I don't have any preservatives in here. So this will last at least like 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator, no problem, without any question. But if you don't have it refrigerated, it's gonna go off sooner because there's no preservatives in there, right? And then you just spray it liberally all over the face, the neck, the chest, and it's really great. So I probably put that together for pennies compared to what Sephora was selling their stuff, and probably there was nasty ingredients in some of that as well. But you could make this at home. If you're local to St. Petersburg, Florida, and you need some reishi mushroom slices, message me, give me a holler, because I can sell those to you by the ounce. If you're in need of essential oils, absolutely message me. I would love to be your supplier of essential oils, as I am a wellness advocate with doTERRA as well. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.